Rosner Lund Pro Staff. You're out there fishing, you're looking for that fish of a lifetime, and boom, it happens. So you want to be prepared, and the first thing that's really important is think safety for yourself and the fish, because they're really hard to handle. They're big, strong fish. So this, your adrenaline's going to be pumping. Just try to take a couple of deep breaths, enjoy the moment, net the fish head first. And I don't like putting a net in the water until that fish is getting ready, getting a little tired. Then put your net in the water and net him head first. And then also use that big net as kind of, if you will, like a live well. Keep him in the water, see what you got, see where he's hooked, and then you can go to work with your tools. Your must-haves is a good jaw spreader, a couple different sizes of needle nose, and a good side cutters for cutting hooks. Yeah, because you always want to be thinking about the fish, That big clean release is so important. Spend a little time with her and let her swim away safely, and she can bring memories to somebody else for years to come.